Good morning students, Joyadas here. Today our fractions and decimals revision is going on. So already we have watched so many videos on decimals and fractions. Now I am giving some summaries of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So few sums we will do here now. Add. I have given one sum 7 by 10, 2 by 5 and plus 3 by 2. First of all, we have to find the LCM of 5, 2 and 10. If you do the LCM, now LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is 10, you know. You can see also by rough work. Now to make it 10, what we will do? We will make the denominator 10 for every fraction. It was already 10, so 10 and 7, and it was 2 by 5 and it was 3 by 2. To make it 10, already it is 10, so no need to multiply by any number. So only 1 I have given here. To make it 10, what you will multiply? You will multiply by 2. Both numerator and denominator you will multiply by 2. Here to make it 10, you have to multiply by 5. So both numerator and denominator you will multiply by 5. Now what you can see? It is 7 by 10. It is 4 by 10. And it is 15 by 10. Now as the denominators are same now, so you can take the denominator and 7 plus 4 plus 15. What you will get? You will get 26. Add it, you will get 26 by 10. It is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator, so you can make a mixed fraction. But before that, you can cancel it. Both are even numbered. So divide it by 2. 5 2s are 10 and 13 2s are 26. It is 13 by 5. You can leave the answer here also, or as because still now it is improper fraction, so you can give the answer 5 5 2s are 10, 3 by 5. In this way also you can give the answer. Both the answers are correct. It is your choice. Next, the next sum is say question number 2. 4 by 8 plus 7 by, sorry, it was not 4 by 8. The question was like this: 4 plus 7 by 8. The question was 4 plus 7 by 8. As the denominator is 1 here, so what you will do? You will make the denominator same as the LCM 1 and 8. LCM will be 8. So make it 8. 1 was there, 1 into 8 and 4 into 8 plus 7 by 8 into 1 into 1. Why 1? Because it was already 8. To make it 8, you no need to multiply with any other number. Next, it is 32 by 8 plus 7 by 8. The result is, now the both denominator has got the same denominator, so 8 is the common denominator. 32 plus 7, you are getting 39 by 8. You can leave the answer here also, or you can give the answer in the mixed fraction 4 7 by 8. If you divide it, 4 8 is 32, 32 plus 7, 39 by 8. This is your answer. Come to the next sum. Now we will do some subtraction. Question number 2, subtraction. One question is 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. So first of all, it is a mixed fraction. Make it a simple fraction or improper fraction. 8 to just 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 minus 3 8 is a 24. 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. As the LCM of 2 and 8 is 8, so make the denominator equal in both the cases, both the fractions. It was 17 by 2 and it was 29 by 8. To make it 8, what number you will need to multiply? 4. Multiply it by 4, and here it is already 8, so no need to multiply by any other number, only 1. Multiply it by only 1. Now it has become 8, and 17 4s are 68 minus 29 by 8. Now see, the denominator becomes same, so denominator is 8, LCM is 8. 68 minus 29, you will get 39 by 8. You can leave the sum here also, or you can do 4 7 by 8. Understood? Next, another small subtraction sum I am giving. 2, question number 2, 2 minus 3 by 5. See here, no denominator, that means what is the denominator here already? 1. We can write it. Now the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5, so LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. We have 2 1 3 5. To make it the denominator 5, you need to multiply it by 5, and it is already 5, so you have to multiply it by 1. Now what is the number? 10 by, what is the fraction? 10 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Now the denominators become same. Sorry, 3 1 ja 3. Now the denominator becomes same, 5, and 10 minus 3, it will become 7 by 5. This is, you can write your answer here also, or 5 1 ja 5, 2 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 2 by 5. You can write your answer here or here. Same thing. Now come to the multiplication. Now multiplication, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. First of all, make the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 by 2 into 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. Now you have to see that you can cancel or not. You have to cancel numerator and denominator, not denominator to denominator, numerator to numerator. Don't try also. 3 into 16 by 2 into 3. Can you cancel? Yes, you can cancel it. See, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. So it is and 3 and 3 also you can cancel. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So what is the answer you are getting? 8 is the answer. Next multiplication is 5 by 6 into 2 4 by 7. So 5 by 6 into 2 7 ja 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 by 7. Now see, the numerator are 5 into 18 and 6 into 7 at the denominators. Now can you cancel? Check, you can cancel or not? Yes, you can cancel. 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. Now 7 5 7 3, you can't cancel, so leave it. Now in the numerator 5 into 3 15, and in the denominator it is 7 only. You can leave the answer here also, or you can write 7 2 is 14, 1 by 7. 7 2 is 14 plus 1 15. This can be your answer. In the mixed fraction also you can give the answer. Next one is division. Division, I have given 2 sums here only, very easy sums you can do now. 12 by 1 divided by 3 by 4. The main thing in the division, you have to make the reciprocal. When you will change the division sign into multiplication sign, so 12 by 1 into 4 by 3. So it is the main thing you have to do in the division. You have to change the division sign into sign, and the number after division you have to make it the reciprocal. Reciprocal means it will change, the numerator become denominator and the denominator become numerator. This is the reciprocal form only. Now what is in the numerator? 12 into 4 and 1 into 3. Can you cancel? Check. Yes, you can cancel 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. Now 4 into 4, you are getting 4 4 are 16. These are easy sum. Those who are practicing regularly, it is very easy for you, I know. And this is the last one I am giving the revision one today. Revision sums. Tomorrow I will give decimal sums. So 4 by 9 into reciprocal, make the reciprocal 3 by 2. The denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. This is known as reciprocal. When you are multiplying this, division sign change to multiply sign. Right hand side number will also, right side number of the division sign will also change. Now can you multiply or can you cancel? Let's check. 4 into 3, 9 into 2. Now the cancellation you can do 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. The number is now in the numerator it is 2 and in the denominator it is 3. As because it is a proper fraction, it is less than the denominator, numerator is less than the denominator, so it is a proper fraction, so no need to do anything, leave the sum here only. Now I hope all the students have understand it nicely and you practice it regularly. All the sums we have done till now in from NCERT book, practice it. Tomorrow I will show a few sums for revision on decimals. Thank you, students.